you're standing on resurfaced courts. You're looking at beautiful lights, and we understand that the SDF had a role in that. Tell us about that involvement and how does it feel to be looking at a revitalized Tennis Jamaica court?
Well, I really want to first congratulate Tennis Jamaica for what they have done here, because it really is looking good, and the results from today are in keeping with what they have done. As usual, the Sports Development Foundation is involved at almost every level as far as sports is concerned, and tennis is one of our major sports, not minor. Although we have not done that well at the highest international level, we have always been there and very competitive. And I go back to the days of Richard Russell and Lance Lumsden and those people.
Wow.
But the fact is that I now see us getting back to those kind of levels, and it's very heartening to see all of this. We have made our contribution. Of course, tennis is one of those sports that we fund on a monthly basis with some kind of subvention. It's never enough, but I'm sure it helps. And we have, in fact, made our contribution to what has taken place here. We are very happy for the collaboration. We want to congratulate them. And it's wonderful the execution that we have seen here today over this weekend, because it really took a lot. This is the Davis Cup. This is the highest level of tennis. And even though we may not win the Davis Cup, ultimately the fact that we are competitive in the sport and the fact that we are also able to execute the hosting of this tournament is just wonderful, and we say congratulations to Tennis Jamaica.
It's about, in greater detail, what was the amount of sponsorship? If you want to release that figure now, SDF doesn't necessarily like to release figures, but I'd like to know.
We are one of the most transparent entities.
Right.
We contributed overall to this particular entity a sum of $3 million, and that was more so having to do with the lighting.
Okay.
We provide, as I said, a monthly stipend, we call it, to the tennis tournament. And from time to time, when they are doing something like this, we put in something extra. So our $3 million towards this part of things was over and above our monthly contribution.